Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I am here to talk to you on one topic. So before we goes on that topic, I ask you one question. Which thing is very precious? Precious means જેની માટે આપણે બહુ જ બધા પૈસા ચૂકવવા પડતા હોય, જે બહુ જ કિંમતી હોય. જો આપણે એને ખરીદવા જઈએ આપણે બહુ જ બધા પૈસા આપવા પડતા હોય. ઓકે, સો ઇન ધીસ ટાઈમ યુ વિલ સે gold is very precious, diamond is very precious, silver is very precious, because if we want to buy gold, silver, diamond, we have to give too much money to the shopkeeper. But there is one more thing. It is more than precious to gold, silver, diamond, because if we do not have gold, silver, diamond, shall we die? No, without them we can live. But this thing is more than precious to gold, silver, diamond. If we do not get it, we cannot live. We will die. And what is it? It is water. You will say water. Water is precious? Yes, water is precious. Because if we do not get water, what happen? We will die. We cannot live without water. So, in your EVS book, one poem number 3 is there, and the name of the poem is Water O Water. So now you all have book. Open page number 20, poem number 3 in EVS, Water O Water. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. So here poet says, don't waste water. If we have gold, silver, diamond, we keep them very safe in our locker. We do not waste them because we know that they are very precious. But here we say, one side we say water is precious, without it we cannot live. But even though what we are doing, we waste water. If we want to drink only half glass of water and we take full glass of water, half we drink and half we throw. So many ways we waste water. But poet says, don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. And water is precious. Because water is life. If we do not get it, we cannot live. So we should not waste water. Tip, 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 oh, the water falls, overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. So we get water from rain, and when it rains, its sound is tip, 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 and this rainwater goes into rivers, lakes and ponds, and it overflows the rivers, lakes and ponds. Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Waves of ocean. તો તમે દરિયા કિનારે ગયા હશો, તમે કોઈ સમુદ્ર જોયો હશે, એના મોજા ઉછળતા જોયા હશે. સો વેવ્સ ઓફ ઓશન કેવા લાગે છે? ધારો કે ગેલોપ લાઇક અ હોર્સ, કોઈ ઘોડો કૂદતો ના જતો હોય એવા લાગે છે. એન્ડ પોએટ સેઝ, ડોન્ટ વેસ્ટ water. Water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor, keeping singing the song of springs. Water is life, water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops. So here I ask you one question. If we keep some water in freezer, what happens? So after some time it turns into ice. Why? Because water gets cooling, and because of cooling water turns into ice. So same way on hilltops the atmosphere is very good, and because of that on hilltops the water turns into icebergs. Boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. When we boil water, what is coming out? Steam is coming out. Have you seen now? So steam, that steam is called vapor. Ice is a solid form of water. This steam is a gaseous form of water, and the water which we drink, it is a liquid form of water. So water ના ઘણા બધા રૂપ છે. એ solid form માં પણ હોઈ શકે, એ liquid form માં પણ હોઈ શકે છે, અને એ gaseous form માં પણ હોઈ શકે છે. And these all forms are very useful and important for us. So here poet says, water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. So water is not only important for us, not only important for human being, it gives life to crops, plants, trees. If we have one plant and we do not give it water, what happens? It will die. So this water gives life to crops, plants and trees. It gives life to human beings, animals and birds. Means we all, human beings, animals, birds, plants, we all cannot live without water. That's why poet says water is life, water is precious. During drought there is stress, life seems to be in pain. So drought means if we do not get rain continue for 2-3 years, so what happens? जमीन बधी सुकाई जाए, कोई क्रॉप्स अंदर उगे नहीं. Animals, birds, even human beings do not get water to drink. And if we do not get water to drink, what happens? We will die. So poet says that during drought there is stress and all live in tension, in agony, and life seems to be in pain. તો બધા સમજીએ, ટેન્શનમાં આવી જાય કે શું થશે, આપણને પાણી નહીં મળે શું થશે, એનિમલ્સ મરી જાય છે, બર્ડ્સ મરી જાય છે, કોઈ પાક નથી ઉગતો. if the crops cannot grow, then from where we get food? During floods there is threat and fright. Now another word, flood means too much rain, બહુ જ બધો વરસાદ પડે. And if there is too much rain, then what happens? It is also cause one problem. And because of floods, human beings, animals, birds die. Many buildings, houses collapse, many trees are uprooted, and it's also cause dangerous. So if બહુ જ બધો વરસાદ પડે તો પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ, વરસાદ ના પડે તો પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ. Well tap, a hand pump filled with water. Water is life, water is precious. We know that the main source of water is rain. પહેલાં પહેલું આપણને પાણી ક્યાંથી મળે છે? રેનમાંથી મળે છે. અને રેન ક્યાં જાય? રેન વોટર ક્યાં જાય છે? રિવર્સમાં જાય છે, લેક્સમાં જાય છે, પોન્ડ્સમાં જાય છે, કેટલું પાણી જમીનની અંદર શોષાઈને જમીનની નીચે જાય છે. અને પછી એ પાણી આપણે મોટર થ્રુ ક્યાં લાવીએ છીએ? ટેન્કમાં લાવીએ છીએ. અને પાઇપ થ્રુ આપણા ઘરે નળમાં આવે છે. ઘણા લોકોના ઘરે નળથી આવે છે, ઘણા લોકોના ઘરે હેન્ડપંપથી આવે છે, ગામડામાં લોકો કૂવામાંથી પાણી ખેંચીને લાવે છે. સો વોટર પાણી બહુ જ બધું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે આપણી માટે. સો વી શુડ નોટ વેસ્ટ વોટર. એન્ડ પોએટ સેઝ વોટર ઇઝ લાઈફ. પાણી એ જીવન છે. જો આપણે એને નહીં બચાવીએ તો એક દિવસ આપણે જ મરવાનો વારો આવશે. વોટર ઇઝ વોટર ઇઝ લાઈફ, વોટર ઇઝ પ્રેશિયસ. So today I say you one thing, if we save water, water will save us. So students, આજે આપણે નક્કી કરવાનું છે બધાએ, we should not waste water. Okay? So goodbye.